What's up, guys? I'm just doing a little short little thing. I decided to whip out my Shure SM57, and I'm only using that along with partially the room mic. But let me know what you guys think. If I should start using my Shure SM57, I actually was using an AKG in front of the mic, and some guys liked it, some didn't. I ended up at one point turning that off and just using the larger room mic, which is also an AKG. But let me know what you guys think. I think it sounds better now, and I figured something out so that way it's not always hitting that high peak and then sounding terrible as always. So let me know what you guys think. All right, so actually I'm using as a test. Again, this is just a test. Just a test. You guys comment below. Let me know what you guys think. So I'm running my KSR 50 power amp using the Myasnikov Super Lead, which is an SLO clone. I'm running the Maxon Odie 808, but this isn't the regular one. This is the Keeley mod. And using my new Shure wireless system that I got from my boy Dilo Roman. You are the man. So again, let me know what you guys think. So I may just start recording it the way you hear it from now on. So let me shut my pie hole. I haven't practiced in days. Wait until you guys hit your 50. I can't even do a power chord now. Ah, man. Yo, aging is terrible. Forget about the gray hairs that you end up getting on your eyebrows, your knuckles. Yo, I'm too young to have gray hairs. Coño, it's terrible. And then your fingers lock when you're playing too much. Or when you're not playing enough, then your fingers get weak and then you have to build them up again. Ah, it's terrible. Ah, even my forearm. What? terrible. Wow. Yeah, I totally feel it all here. Funny enough, I always keep around a guitar around me. It's actually the what do I have upstairs? The LTD JH600, the Jeff Henneman. But then I'm too busy watching TV shows. All right. Let's put this guy down. Let's turn this off. Again, guys, just a little. But let me know what you guys think. I am going, if you guys say yay, then I'll use that and then maybe incorporate the Pile SM57 clone that I have too. Yo, you know me and clones. Yo, we're like this. Yo, if they have something for 1,000 and they sell the same thing for 100, this guy right here gets the one for 100. Guys, thank you so much for watching. And as usual, I will talk to you soon.